The O-ring seals the impact bolt to the nose piece. The rubber O-ring will harden over time and can crack. This can allow oil to leak past the impact bolt and out the tool holder. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nose piece from the barrel. With the bolts removed, now I can remove the nose piece. Now I'll remove the impact bolt from the nose piece. Now I can remove the O-ring. And I'll install the new O-ring. Now I can reinstall the impact bolt. Now I'll reinstall the nylon spacer and the metal spacer. And then I can reinstall the nose piece. The tool clamp should be on the lower part of the nose piece. And I'll secure the nose piece with the bolts. And that's how you can install a new O-ring in your hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.